Every day, you, our hardworking team of more than 3,500, show up to build tough yellow iron. In turn, we're working hard to protect you. We started by reducing the number of team members on our campuses to protect those who depend on the campus to do their work. We restricted visitors. Before you or anyone else enters a Vermeer facility, they're screened with health questions and temperature checks. If you have to work closely with other team members, face coverings are required and provided. They may be uncomfortable, but when groups working closely together wear them together, the masks can help keep you protected. When getting your lunch and snacks, hand sanitizer and hospital-grade disinfectant are available. Markings on the floor tell you where to stand. We clean the spaces, tools, and facilities you use to build, following CDC, WHO, and federal, state, and local government recommendations. When you're on site, we use hospital-grade cleaners and electrostatic guns at high-traffic areas multiple times a day. Bathrooms at high-traffic areas are cleaned and sanitized multiple times a day. And when you're not here, we are cleaning. We take advantage of the time when you're away, on shutdown or otherwise, to deep clean the spaces you depend on to get tough work done. When a team member falls ill with the virus, we enact our deep cleaning protocols, thoroughly cleaning the facility to make sure the team can return to work safely. You let us know when we have opportunities in our processes by giving us regular feedback, and as a result, we adapt them to better protect you every day. In a world of unknowns, you can come to work knowing that we continue to work together to adapt and work hard to keep Vermeer a safe and resilient place to work.